5 tax returns a year. But the big kicker here is there's no free HMRC tool. Right now, as we say, we have this tax return, which is done once a year. What's changing, we're moving into a system where you have to submit quarterly digital tax returns and then a final submission that looks and feels a bit like a tax return. I think the Revenue are going to pains to say this isn't 5 tax returns, and I've certainly used those words. 5 tax returns a year because we want eyeballs on this stuff so that people are aware, but it's not really tax returns. Actually, what's going to change is how you keep your records and then what you're going to have to do. And the fact that you're moving this annual touch point to what is now 5 touch points a year, and I could show you it could be more than 5. But the big kicker here is there's no free HMRC tool. There are some software providers already talking about free versions, but like all free versions, we know what they're like. There's likely going to be capped for certain things that you can't do. So looking for software is going to be important. But that's what you're going to have to do. You have to change your workflow. So I'm think back to many of, say, our taxi drivers and salon owners, as mobile hairdressers. At the minute, they might just write down what they took in a book every day, and then once a year they go and total all that figures up, or they give it to us and we total it up and put it on a tax return. Can't do that anymore. If you fit this criteria we're going to talk about in a moment, you actually now going to have to do these digital record keeping and submit a button. But do know, you're just looking for income and expenditure. So it is impactful for sure, but it's not necessarily like 5 whole tax returns where you've got to get every income source in on those returns. It's going to be that bookkeeping process that's going to change.